guys, Hayden here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a corner suite in the hotel. 7080. Come on in. As we walk in here, we have our living space, our couch area, our desk over here. Then we have a nice bed over here. Then you have another desk area over here. Then over here you have your snacks and your bar with your TV. Then the best part, check out this. This is for the curtains. Watch and see this gorgeous view. Can't ask for anything better. You have this view from this side, and then you have this view from this side. You have the Caesar Palace. And through this door we have our bathroom. We have a spa tub over here. Then we have our shower. Then we have a vanity with 2 sinks. A closet to outdoors. And this is the best part. A TV inside the mirror. Check out what another cool feature the bathroom has. A view of the Caesar Palace. Then we had a flamingo on that side with a high roller in the background. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave in the comments below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.